Hi viewers, welcome you all from Veggie Recipes Blogspot. Today we are going to show you how to prepare Luqaimat sweet dumpling. Ingredients for Luqaimat: 1 cup of all-purpose flour, that is Maida, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of curd, yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ghee. So we're going to mix this one. Little salt, so whisk this one properly, and we have to keep this one for fermentation approximately for 1 hour. We have to use lukewarm water. Add little by little, so you know the consistency, so you know the amount of water to be added if you are adding little by little. So we have to whisk well. So we have to mix to this consistency. So we have to leave this one for 1 hour to ferment. So we are going to cover this one with cling wrap. If you have cling wrap, you can use it, otherwise normal plate will do, no problem. So we are going to use the cling wrap to cover the batter and leave it for 1 hour. This is for sugar syrup. Keep the pan, 2 cups of sugar, add little water. So we have to make the syrup for 1 string consistency. Sugar syrup is boiling. You're going to put cardamom, so going to switch off the flame, and we're going to add half a lemon with this. Half a teaspoon vanilla essence. So the sugar syrup is ready. Keep the pan, and add oil for deep fry. Switch on the flame. So we're going to remove the cling wrap. Oil get heated up. Take small amount of batter and drop in the oil carefully with your hand, and do this one again. You have to do all the thing in the same manner. Sugar syrup is ready already. As soon as it gets fried, we will put in the syrup. Have to put in the syrup for 3 minutes. Children will definitely like this sweet dumplings. So it's getting fried now. Have to flip everything. It's in more or less round shape, so just turn and leave it. Nice aroma is coming of the flour. You will get the aroma while frying, no? The same I am getting. This aroma itself tempting me to eat. So it's cooked now. Removed from oil. The second round we are frying. So you have to fry the full batter like this. So we are putting these ones in sugar syrup. So keep in sugar syrup approximately for 3 minutes. Luqaimat is ready from Veggie Recipes Blogspot, just for you. Enjoy. If you like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.